Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best full-frame cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Sony S73ILC 7 cubic meters per B full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. The Sony S73ILC 7 cubic meters per B full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera is the perfect choice for photographers seeking professional-level quality and performance in a lightweight, portable package. This camera features a 24.2 MP full-frame exmor CMOS sensor and a powerful Bionz X image processor for stunning detail and color reproduction. The camera also features a fast and accurate 4D focus system with 425 phase detection AF points for fast, precise autofocusing. Additionally, the S7 III offers a maximum continuous shooting speed of 10 frames per second and supports UHS-2 SDXC memory cards. For those looking to expand their creative capabilities, the camera also features a variety of advanced features such as 4K video recording, picture profile settings, S-Log 2/3 gamma, and an OLED True Finder electronic viewfinder. With its compact body, intuitive controls, and robust feature set, the Sony S73ILC 7 cubic meters per B full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera is a must-have for any serious photographer. Pros: 24.2 MP full-frame exmor BSI CMOS sensor, 5-axis steady shot and side and body image stabilization, 4K movie recording with full pixel readout, fast hybrid AF with 425 phase detection points, high-resolution 3.0-inch 1.44 m.xga OLED True Finder EVF. Cons: no built-in flash. Low-light autofocus can be slow. Short battery life. Expensive. Number 2. Our second best pick is Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame digital SLR camera body. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame digital SLR camera body is a powerful and versatile camera that is perfect for both professional and amateur photographers alike. It features a full-frame 30.4 megapixel CMOS sensor, allowing you to capture stunning images with exceptional detail and clarity. This camera is capable of an impressive 7 frames per second continuous shooting speed and has an expanded ISO range of 132,000 for shooting in any lighting conditions. It also comes with a durable and weather-resistant body, making it perfect for outdoor photography. With its advanced autofocus system, you can capture fast-moving objects with ease. Additionally, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC for quick and easy sharing of your photos and videos. With its many features and advanced technology, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is perfect for any photographer. Pros: high-resolution full-frame CMOS sensor, high ISO range, fast and accurate autofocus system, 4K video recording, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, durable construction. Cons: expensive, no built-in image stabilization, limited battery life. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony Alpha 7R for full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. The Sony Alpha 7R for full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera is the perfect tool for serious photographers and videographers. With a powerful 42.4 MP back-illuminated exmor CMOS image sensor, this camera produces stunningly detailed images with low noise and a wide dynamic range. The redesigned body is equipped with an ergonomic grip, 5-axis and body image stabilization, and an OLED electronic viewfinder with a stunning 3.69 million resolution. It also features an advanced autofocus system with 425 phase detection and contrast detection points, allowing you to capture sharp images in a variety of environments. This camera is ready to take on any challenge, whether you're shooting in the studio or outdoors. With its advanced features and uncompromising quality, the Sony Alpha 7R IV will help you create amazing photos and videos. Pros: high-resolution 42.4MP back-illuminated XMR CMOS sensor. Sharper and clearer images with a wide dynamic range. High-speed Bions X processor for superior image processing. Fast hybrid AF with 399 focal plane phase detection AF points. 5-axis in-body image stabilization for steady shots. Dust and moisture-resistant construction. Cons: expensive compared to other models. Low battery life. Limited 4K video recording capability. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Nikon D780 body. The Nikon D780 is a powerful digital SLR camera body that delivers impressive performance and stunning image quality. It features a 24.5-megapixel full-frame CMOS image sensor, ILCE image processor, and a wide range of advanced technologies. It's equipped with a 51-point autofocus system that offers fast and accurate focusing, as well as a tilting LCD touchscreen for easy operation. It also supports 4K UHD video recording and has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Its rugged magnesium alloy construction makes it ideal for outdoor shooting, and its weather-sealed body makes it resistant to dust, moisture, and cold temperatures. Whether you're a professional photographer or someone who just loves to take pictures, the Nikon D780 is an excellent choice for capturing beautiful images. Pros: 24.5MP full-frame sensor for amazing image quality. Advanced autofocus system with fast and accurate subject tracking. 7 frames per second continuous shooting. Tilting touchscreen LCD for easy image composition. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and remote control. 4K UHD video recording with full pixel readout. Cons: expensive compared to other cameras. No built-in image stabilization. Limited battery life. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Nikon Z72FX format mirrorless camera body. The Nikon Z72FX format mirrorless camera body is a powerful and versatile camera body that will take your photography to the next level. The full-frame sensor and powerful ILCE image processor allows for stunning image quality with an ISO range of 64-25600. With a 45.7-megapixel resolution and fast shooting speeds up to 10 frames per second, you can capture fast-moving subjects with stunning clarity. The advanced autofocus system with 567 phase detection points and 93% frame coverage ensures you never miss a shot. Additionally, the Z72 is equipped with a dual card slot for storage flexibility, making it easy to store your photos and videos. With its lightweight and durable construction, this camera body is perfect for taking on the road and capturing amazing shots wherever you go. Whether you're a professional or an amateur, the Nikon Z72FX format mirrorless camera body is sure to take your photography to the next level. Pros: high-resolution 46.1MP backside illuminated, BSI, CMOS sensor. Dual ILCE image processing engines. 4K UHD video recording with N-Log and 10-bit HDMI output. Dual card slots for XQD and SD memory cards. Fast and accurate autofocus with 273 focus points. 5-axis image stabilization. Cons: does not include a lens. Expensive. Heavy and bulky compared to other mirrorless cameras. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.